The vehicle you are looking at is a rarity in the automotive world. A machine that attempts to defy the laws of physics and practicality simultaneously. For decades, the BMW M5 Touring was the forbidden fruit for many enthusiasts, especially in North America. But for 2026, the legend is back, and it is more powerful, more high-tech, and more aggressive than anyone could have imagined. This is the 2026 BMW M5 Touring, known internally as the G99, and it represents a massive shift for the M division. It is no longer just a high-performance wagon. It is a software-defined, hybrid-powered monster designed to dominate the road while carrying a family's worth of luggage. The exterior design of the new M5 Touring is a masterclass in aggressive proportions. Unlike the standard 5 Series, the M5 is significantly wider, with flared wheel arches that give it a wide-body look straight from the factory. At the front, the kidney grills are almost entirely closed off for aerodynamics, framed by sharp, sweeping LED headlights and massive air intakes that feed the cooling systems for the high-performance hybrid setup. As you move along the side, the long roofline of the Touring model creates a sleek, purposeful silhouette that ends in a massive rear spoiler and a functional rear diffuser. The quad exhaust tips, a signature of every true M car, are larger than ever, integrated into a bumper that looks ready for the Nürburgring. But the real story lies beneath the skin. The 2026 M5 Touring features the most advanced powertrain ever fitted to a BMW wagon, the M Hybrid system. At its heart is a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, working in perfect harmony with a high-performance electric motor integrated into the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission. The result is a combined output of 727 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This allows this 5,500-pound beast to rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 305 kilometers per hour when equipped with the M Drivers package. Because it's a plug-in hybrid, you also get roughly 40 miles of pure electric driving range, allowing you to cruise through the city in near total silence before unleashing the V8's fury on the open road. Thanks to ORG Cars for the incredible source footage for this video. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of digital innovation and racing-inspired luxury. The first thing you notice is the BMW curved display, running the latest operating system 8.5 with M-specific graphics. The M multifunction seats are upholstered in high-grade merino leather and offer everything from heating and ventilation to aggressive side bolsters that keep you pinned during high-speed cornering. The new M-specific steering wheel features a flat bottom and the iconic red M1 and M2 buttons, allowing you to instantly switch between a comfortable daily drive and a hardcore track setting. Despite the performance focus, practicality isn't sacrificed. The Touring body offers 500 liters of cargo space with the seats up, expanding to a massive 1,630 liters with them folded down, making it arguably the most versatile supercar on the planet. Handling all that power and weight required a total rethink of the chassis. The 2026 M5 Touring comes standard with adaptive M suspension and rear axle steering, which helps the car feel smaller and more agile than its physical dimensions suggest. The M xDrive all-wheel drive system is rear-biased, providing incredible traction while maintaining the playful character BMW is known for. And for the purists, you can still engage 2WD mode, sending all that torque exclusively to the rear wheels for a traditional, unadulterated drifting experience. The 2026 BMW M5 Touring is a polarizing machine. It's the heaviest M5 ever made, yet it's also the most powerful and technologically advanced. It challenges our traditional ideas of what a sports car should be, offering a level of duality that is hard to find elsewhere. It is a car that can take you to the office in electric silence, haul a week's worth of groceries, and then embarrass most supercars at a track day. It is the ultimate expression of M for the modern era. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into BMW's latest masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest in the world of high-performance cars. What do you think? Is the new M5 Touring too heavy? Or is 727 horsepower enough to make you forget the weight? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.